Hisense has introduced a new line of entry-level monitors, the N3G Pro series, in China. The displays come in two sizes, 23.8 inches and 27 inches, and are designed for users looking for a high refresh rate on a strict budget. Both models feature a 1080p resolution and a 180Hz refresh rate. They will be available starting July 9th, with the 23.8-inch model priced at 449 yuan, $65, and the 27-inch model at 549 yuan, $80, during the initial launch period. Both versions use an IPS panel, which is standard for this category, but they feature a 1500:1 contrast ratio. This is slightly higher than the 1000:1 ratio typically found on standard IPS panels, which helps produce darker blacks and better visibility in low-light scenes. The maximum brightness is 300 nits, which is standard and sufficient for typical indoor environments. For gaming, the 180Hz refresh rate is paired with Adaptive Sync to prevent screen tearing, and an MPRT motion clarity setting is included to reduce blur during fast-moving visuals. Regarding color reproduction, the monitors cover 99% of the sRGB color space and 90% of the DCI P3 gamut, using an 8-bit color depth. This enables them to display accurate colors for general media consumption and everyday use. Hisense has also included hardware-level low blue light technology. Instead of using a software filter that applies a heavy yellow tint to the screen, this method adjusts the light spectrum directly to reduce eye strain. The monitors also use DC dimming to prevent screen flickering, and they carry TÜV Rheinland certifications for both features. The physical design is straightforward. The monitors have a three-sided narrow bezel measuring about 1.6 mm, which is useful if you plan to place two monitors side by side. The included stand is basic, allowing only for tilt adjustments between -5 and 20 degrees. However, the back of the monitor supports standard 75 by 75 mm VESA mounting, so you can attach it to a third-party monitor arm if you need height or swivel adjustments. Connectivity is limited to the essentials, with one HDMI port and one DisplayPort, and the device uses an external power brick. In terms of software, the monitors include standard settings like dark scene enhancement and preset modes for gaming and movies.